Diesel generator to produce electricity. And in that case, I'm going to explain you which solution we can support to reduce the cost. Because many studies show that petrol will go up in the future. And PV, as we can see in 10 years, the price of the solar panel or inverters equipment, they go down maybe 10 times. At the beginning, if you want to buy one solar panel, you have to pay maybe $8 per watt. And now $1, one kilowatt is 1 watt, sorry, is less than 50 cents. And the price is decreased maybe more or less 8 times. So, at now, of course, the PV cannot replace the diesel. But the idea is to show you how we can reduce the consumption, because the advantage for you, we have the technology to make a hybrid solution. The system is very simple. Usually you have your generator and you consume, and now with your plant you can, with some intelligent box, we can say EMS controller manager, EMS controller, we can manage the general state, and like this during the day you can save petrol. How is done? This is a curve for the sun. This is the morning, and maybe the middle of the day and the night. And what's happened during the day? If you need to produce electricity during the day, of course you will use first the sun, and that means this part you save petrol, and we can think. And we see that we can reduce around 27%, but it's a lot. And in that case, we can reduce the production of the machine. But the machine always turn on to give the frequency of the grid if you are in off-grid. I just speak now about the January. If you have many questions, technical, sharp question, maybe you can talk with Sun, is an expert engineer of this. But the idea for the big plant is the same. You can have a generator, 1, 2, 3, depend. Should be synchronized by a diesel manager, and after we can have a watt meter and we can control the demand. And it depends on the demand. If the demand is more and less sun, of course the generator will produce. And this is a concept very simple, but now we have the technology, and the technology is cheaper. And now if in the next future the petrol will increase, the advantage of that, and now with the cost of the solar plant, you can save money. To produce electricity, it's less than petrol. Now the petrol is 30-40 US dollar, but maybe in the future, maybe come to 120, like 4 years or 3 years before. And what we can do? The next step, not yet, because the battery is now a little expensive, and the technology is every day the technology is better, and the price comes down. But in the future, the idea is to use battery like this. When you have a peak of consumption, you can use the battery, and you can save again and more the diesel. What's the problem? The diesel is not only the price. The problem of the diesel is if you are in an island, every time you have to send the diesel by boat, and the logistic is very hard. Sometimes it's not easy. So, like we see before, during the day we can save petrol, but with the battery we can charge during the day. We can charge the battery, and during the night when the peak is coming, we can use the battery, and like this we can use the solar. But as I said, the battery at now, sometimes we can have a solution, a good one, but should be for the future. So you have two solutions. This is one without battery, and this is the same with battery. What is the difference? The difference is that the frequency, in this case, with no battery, is done by the genset generator, the frequency of the grid. But if you have battery, for small installation, you can stop the generator and you can raise the battery to make the frequency of the grid. But in this case, you can save. And the solution is, you have many solutions, because every time people come to us, we have this problem, and it's difficult to make a generality on the presentation. But the idea is, in the future or now, is to use a solar system to reduce the consumption. So for the big one is the same. If you have a big installation of battery, with what we do in South Africa, we made 8 megawatt battery with 9 megawatt solar plant. And in that case, our customer, it's a big island, his name La Réunion, near the South Africa. And we see it's running until more than 1 year, and we see that now they can turn off the genset generator. That is interesting, because in the island, no petrol. We have to bring the petrol every day, but now the logistics is it's more efficient. And like this, you can manage inverter can generate the grid. In that case, this is the inverter generates the frequency, not the generator. And this is very important. Possible to turn off the genset, and if you have a big demand or more demand on the night or during the day, of course you can start again. But the idea is not to start every time, because it's not good for the generator. But it depends on the power of the battery. And this we can make studies for you. If you have some case in island, or maybe in a mountain, or maybe in Ho Chi Minh, if you want to be your self-consumption, I will show after how we can do. But it's self-consumption. It looks like the same. It means you have your factory, and your invoice of electricity is very high, or you need more electricity, or you want to be a little independent. But many times you have your generator. I see many companies in Vietnam, and we are now going to start some project with a big company, and they have the generator, and we can do the same installation for the big one. The same, if you don't have generator, but only you connect to the grid, you can make the self-consumption. And we have the technology that you can consume your electricity. You consume your electricity first, and if you don't need electricity, we can charge. And in any case, we have the solution to no inject in the grid, because sometimes the national company grid, they said you cannot inject. You have to consume, or maybe you have to shut down the inverters. And we have a solution that you can consume or make some storage, and no injection. You just use the grid for the frequency, and if you need, for the night. So if you have a very complex solution with a genset generator battery, we can analyze what is the production, what you need. You can see here, consumption from PV, consumption from the grid in a blue, from PV in the yellow. This is the sun. Consumption from battery, you use the battery during the night. Battery charge, during the day you don't need electricity during the day, and you charge the battery, and when the battery is full, if you have the possibility to inject the electricity to the grid, you can sell, for example, to EVN, and you can get back money. And we can do now, with the price, with the lower price, and with the technology, maybe we can do everything, and it's more the advantage. Before it's not workable because the price of the solar panel and inverters also are a little expensive, but now it's possible. So in the future, maybe in the next future, if you have an electric car, you can use your solar panel to charge your own car. And you, of course, you are on the grid. You can have some battery, and you can use electricity during the day for your washing machine and everything. This is a smart home, intelligent home. This is the next future. And the idea is not to replace EVN, because we need the grid. In any case, in any country, we need the grid. But sometimes for the peak, or maybe to save, or maybe to produce green energy, this solution it's possible. With the technology, this is possible, and we will see in the future what's happening. So, to resume, we have a stand, and we can give you a catalog and some expectation. We supply only the inverters. We transform the DC current from the solar panel to AC current for your home or for the grid. If you have any question, and if it's clear for you what we do in JTeam, and I don't want to be too bit more technical, but if you have a technical question, or if you have a